Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah,
Good
good morning.
ma'am.
Good afternoon, children. Good afternoon, everyone. Other day, all are doing very well. Quiz part, I'm continuously watching your things, children. Very good. Sunday test. Did you write the Sunday test?
Yes,
Who did
ma'am.
not write? Who did not write Sunday test? Let me check who did not write Sunday test. Wow, who's this? First, Sritej. I think Sritej is not there in the classroom. He scored 60.
ma'am.
Good evening, Sritej. Are you there in the class?
Ma'am, just now joined. What are we doing?
Okay. Oh, no. We just started with the result of Sunday test. Sritej Adrit was complete all bits. How many bits I gave? Complete all bits are correct. And Ashwath and Deepika did 2 errors. I don't know what are those two. Let me check about those 2 mistakes they did. And Soumya and Deepika. Ashwath, these three together, they are doing 2 bits error. What are the bits you are doing mistakes, beta? Please let me know, Ashwath, so that we can discuss that.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, please, ma.
Good evening.
Soumya, good evening. Soumya, what are the bits you have doubt?
Ma'am, first one and 10th one.
First one and 10th one. Which of the following is a factor pair of 84? 84 in a factor pair means if you multiply 2 numbers, the result is 84. Factors are nothing but a product of those 2 numbers. 21 times 42. So this is not a factor. And 3 multiplied with 36, almost it is 90, more than 100 you may get here. So this is also not a factor. 7, 9 times 63. This is also not factor. What is the factor, Soumya, then?
Ma'am, B6 and 14.
Multiply 6 into 14, whether gives 84 or not, please let me know. Check it once again.
Yes, ma'am.
14 multiplied with.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
what is the, yes, sir. What is the other bit you did error?
Ma'am, 10.
10, number 10, okay. What is the LCM of 3, 5? So I did not thought at LCM, least common multiple, but I will let you know. Let you know. Okay, 3, 5, 7. LCM of 3, 5, 7. There are multiple methods to do, children. We know multiple, M means multiples. What are the multiples of 3? 3, 6. What are the multiples of 3? 9,
3, 6, 9,
12,
15,
15,
18, 21,
18,
24,
21.
27, 30, 33, 34.
Okay, it goes on. Now 5 multiples, beta.
5, 10, 20, 25, 35, 35, 40, 45, 45.
And so on. And 6 multiples?
12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. 24, 30, 36.
Now you see among this, which is the common least? LCM means L means least. L means what is that? L means least. common multiple. Common multiple first we have to
30.
Yeah. Oh, in this case you have 30. Here you have 30. Here too you have 30. So what is the least common multiple among all these?
30.
LCM equal to 30. Okay, right. Understood, Soumya and other students?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so that's all. But there are multiple methods. Only this for your understanding I'm teaching. LCM prime factorization method and we have division method. We will discuss those different methods in the next class. That's about Sunday test, children. I was very happy. My students are absolutely good because
I got
yeah.
8. That one, 2 mistake.
Which one, ma? Which one?
3rd, 9th.
3rd and 9. Okay. Which of the following is a prime number? We know what are prime numbers. Prime numbers having only 2 factors, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So 54 and 82 it's not possible. Why? Because these are even numbers. Yes or no? You should eliminate these two. You should eliminate 54 and 82. Then what other 2 options you have? 343 and 191.
AD.
Huh. Which table these 2 will go? You can check it first. Let me go with whether 7 table 343 will come in 7 table or not. Because the 7 divisibility rule, what is the 7 divisibility rule? Twice the units place digit. So 3 2s are 6. So 34 minus 6. What is 34 minus 6 beta?
28.
28 is divisible by 7 table. 7 4s are, yes or no? So this is also not possible. Why? Because this is a 7 table. There are 7 is a factor to this number. That's why it is not a prime number. Only leftover number is
191.
That's why it is prime number. I think who is asking? This is my dear Ashwath. You're asking, right?
Yes, ma'am. And 9th.
And 9th one. Hope you understood the 3rd one, Ashwath.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, very good. Next, what is the next question?
9th one.
9th. Which of the following pairs of numbers have least common multiple as 56? Oh, least common multiple as 56. LCM should be 56 better. So,
ma'am, in
least
28, it will come, ma'am.
2 and 28, no, it won't come.
Ma'am, 28 into 2. Ma'am,
That's not. No, that's what is they're asking. Which of the following pairs of numbers have least common multiple of 56? Let me help you one by one. So this is because these 2 are prime numbers, we can make as a product. 3 7s are 21. So here it's not a LCM. 7 and 8 are consecutive numbers. The product is the LCM. 7 8s are 7 8s are. What is 7 8s are? Beta, here you have to see there are few logical things you need to find out. Least common multiple. To find out least common multiple, you can see few things. Any consecutive numbers like 4 and 5. So what is the LCM of 4 and 5? Just make them as a product. 4 5s are 20. Not only this, consecutive numbers, any consecutive numbers like 10 and 11. What is LCM of 10 and 11? Product of these 2 numbers.
110.
110. This is one technique, 110. Suppose LCM of 2 prime numbers like 3 and 5. In this case also we have to multiply the numbers because since 2 are prime numbers, these are prime numbers. There is no prime number is repeated here. So which is LCM is 15. Product is only the LCM beta. Product means you should multiply so that directly will get LCM. In special cases, these are special cases, consecutive number case and Given numbers are prime numbers. No prime number is repeated in this case. Now, both are not possible. In this case, you go with any elimination process. We have Big Boss program. How many of you are watching Big Boss program or something children program? Elimination part is there. Some program is there in TV new channel also.
Ma'am.
There. Huh? What?
Ma'am,
They're
my
eliminating. They are eliminating some answers, right? What is that? I forgot about many days. I did not see that part of it. They will eliminate some answers. So some, I don't know. Suma is anchoring that part, and she eliminates few things. Money, some money or something. What is that? What ma? Karodpati. I think that is in Hindi. Some other Telugu also I heard. Recently, Suma is anchoring something about she is giving 2 lakhs for one round, and one round she is taking some answers. She is eliminating. What is that program? Like that, we should also hear some part. We don't want such a what is the program name here? What is that?
Paisa Vasool.
Paisa Vasool. Right.
Is it
Right.
Wow?
What? Wow.
Ma'am, Wow, ma'am. That show name is Wow.
Wow, okay. The show name is Wow. I don't know much about it. I'm long back I watched that. Like that, we need to eliminate some answers here because what we are not happening, we should eliminate those. Now, what is the question number 9? You see, if 3 and 7 and 8 are consecutive numbers, yes or no, beta?
Yes,
7
ma'am.
and 8 are side by side numbers. So, what is the LCM product? 7 8s are
56.
So 56 is LCM. Directly we can get here LCM. Like that you can check. 3 and 7 are prime numbers. Prime numbers also, what is the LCM? Product is the LCM. 3 sevens are 21. So this case is not possible. So here 2 is multiple of 28. So 28 is the LCM because 2 table you will get 28. So the highest number is only the LCM. Among 2 and 28, which is the highest number? 28. So 28 is LCM. Coming to 4 and 14, there is a common factor as 2 here. Okay, only the thing, which one is true in this case? Option? Which option is true?
B.
Ma'am, B.
B. Why? Because consecutive numbers, LCM is always product of the numbers. No need to check to the others. Sometimes two answers also having the same. We will do LCM part little later, children. That's all. I think, Ashwath, your doubts?
Yes, ma'am.
Any other doubts, children? Particularly few students, they did errors in the test. Only 2 bits they did. The rest all are correct. Yeah. Can we start our lesson? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, let me go back with the Sunday test mandatory. You supposed to write beta because each and the time taken for the preparing test, and if you make as a practice regular Sunday test, definitely you are the person very confident on the subject because each type of concepts we are covering step by step. Which chapter is ours? So class 6 year people, right? I think we are all are prime numbers. You are very comfortable with the Soumya. What is the prime number between 90 to 100? What are the prime numbers, or what is the prime number between 1 to 100? Sorry, 90 to 100.
90 to 100.
In between 90 to 100, what are the prime numbers?
Yes, ma'am. They are 97.
Is only the prime number. 97 is only The prime number between 90 to 100. Very, very good, ma. I think this part we completed, right, ma? Yes, a test of divisibility. This is more important. Already we discussed about the test of divisibility rules. Yes or no? Did we discussed or not? Who will give divisibility rule? Already we discussed about the divisibility rules on other day also.
Yes.
Yeah, 5 and 10 are similar.
Divisibility of the rule of 3 is adding all the digits, sum of all digits.
Very good. Adding all the digits and sum should be divisible by 3 table. Very good. Who said that? Good, Dana. Good. What about 9 rule? 9 rule also very same as 3 rule. Divisibility rule of 9 is also sum of all digits should be divisible by 9. So that we can. 10 rule is more simple. Adrit, what is 10 rule beta? By looking only we can answer 10 rule.
10 rule.
Ma'am,
If there is 5.
No, that is 5 rule beta. 5 and 0 at units place. 0 and 5 as a units place.
Ma'am, we should check the tens and ones.
No. Only ones place. Only ones place.
Okay.
10 divisibility rule means only ones place. It should be 0.
Okay, ma'am.
Hope you understood, children. 10 rule. 10 rule is more simple than all other rules. 5 rule is also very same as 10 rule. Ones place is either 0 or 5. Ones place is either 0 or 5. This is about 10 divisibility rule. You can see there are examples of 100, 20, 200, 3200, 7010. These all numbers as a units place, ones place as 1. Now divisibility rule by 105, 215, 6205, 3500. This is all divisible by 5. What is divisibility rule of 2, Ashwath? This is also we should check units place only.
Ma'am,
What is
divisibility
the unit?
rule of,
Ma'am,
what number?
what is the divisibility rule of 2?
Ma'am, it if a number is even or a number whose last digit is an even number, including 0. It is also complete.
Last number is?
Even number.
Very good. Last number. Ones place digit should be even. Good, Ashwath. Good, Ashwath. And that's about divisibility rule 2. 3 rule already Sri Tej said we have to sum up all the digits. So you can see the question is also there. Sum up all the digits. What is divisibility rule 6? So you can see the sum of the digits in the given number should be exactly divisible by 3 table means it is divisible. And now divisibility 6 is both 2 rule and 3 rule should be true. Then we can go. 4 and 8 are very similar beta. Divisibility 4 is last 2 digits you should check. It should be either 0, 0 or it should be divisible by 4. That's the divisibility rule 4.
Ma'am,
We will go to examples.
The rule of 6.
Last divisible, what is that, Ashwath? What is the Ashwath? Ashwath.
6th.
Rule 6. Rule 6 you are asking?
Ma'am, can I tell rule 6?
Yeah, please tell.
Ma'am, it should be divisible by 2 and 3.
Very good. It should be rule 2 should be true and rule 3 should be true. So that Coming to the next part. What is the next part here? Rule 8. What is rule 8, children? What is divisible rule 8?
Ma'am, should I say?
Yes, Deepika. You compare rule 4 and rule 8 because together we should discuss so that it's easy for you.
Yeah, ma'am. The divisibility rule of 4 is that the tens place and the units place must be 0 or should be divisible by 4.
Yes, exactly. That's about 4 rule. What about 8 rule? How you will connect 8 rule with 4 rule?
8 is the number
Last
numbers
3
of
digits. You have to
hundreds.
see the last 3 digits. Very same like 4 rule. But in this case, you have to check hundreds place, tens place, and ones place. Be 0 or it should be exactly divisible by 8. That is only the condition. Hope you understood.
Yes, ma'am.
That's about divisibility rule. And rule 3 and rule 9 are same. We have to sum up the and 11 rule is also very important. 7
Ma'am,
and 11. 7 rule, did you understood, children? We did here 7 rule.
yes, ma'am.
This is 7 rule because units place digits you have to twice and subtract from the rest of the numbers so that the result should be exactly divisible by 7 table. That's rule 7. But rule 11 is alternative digit sum. Alternative digit sum should be
Rule number
either
11.
0. The difference between alternative sum should be either 0 or it should be multiples of 11. Children, we will go with examples so that it's easy for you. Directly, if I'm going with this, we cannot. Now you can say, children, there is a table here. One question for one. First, I'm starting with Adrit. 990.
Yes,
Adrit, 990 is divisible by 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Why? Reason?
Ma'am, because the last digit is even.
Very good. The last digit is even. Is it divisible by 3?
Yes, ma'am.
Why?
Ma'am, because ma'am, the tens and ones place are divided
No,
by.
all the digits, the sum up all the digits.
Ma'am, sum of the all digits are divided by 3.
What is that sum up all the digits? Sum means individually you have to add better. 9 plus 9 plus 0.
Ma'am, 3 cannot be divided by 0.
No, not like that better. 9 plus sum of all digits. You see, I'll help you. I'll help you on the board. Please look very careful. No need of much thing should be written on the notebook, children. You have to remember with examples. Rule 3. Rule 2, what you said? Rule 2, you said as units digit or ones digit. Ones digits, ones digit should be even. Should be even. So for your example, it's even. Rule 3 is a sum of digits. Sum of digits. What are the number given for you? 990. 990. So sum of digits means 9 plus 9 plus 0. What is the value here?
Ma'am, 990.
What is the value? 9 plus 9 plus 0.
Ma'am, 18. 1. Ma'am,
18 will come in 3 table.
yes, ma'am.
Yes. So that it is divisible by
3.
3. Go with the 4 rule, right? 4 rule is also same number only for 4 rule. 4 rule. What is 4 rule? Even Deepika said. Deepika, can you repeat what is the 4 rule?
The tens and units place must be 0 or must be divisible by 4.
These are the tens and units place. So this should be either 0, 0. This should be either 0 or it should be exactly divisible by 4 table. So let me check the 4 table. 4 table, no, 9, no 9. So 4 twos are 8. So bring down, subtract 1, 0. 4 table, it won't go. 4 twos are 8, remainder you will get. So this is not divisible by 4. Coming to 5 rule. What is Adrit 5 rule? 5 rule only units place.
Ma'am, we should check the units.
What should be? Units place should be?
Ma'am, 0.
Only 0?
Ma'am, 0 or 5.
Very good. 0 or 5. Excellent. Now, what is divisibility? Rule 6. Yeah, rule 6 is given. Both rule 2 and rule 3 is true. 990. Rule 2 is true. Rule 3 is also true. So, by looking only, you can say rule 2 is true. Rule 3 is true. So that what we can say? Rule 6 should be Rule 6 should be true. Yes, sir. No, rule 2 is true. Rule 3 is true. So we can go with rule 6 is yes. Rule 6 is yes. Go with the next 8 rule. What is 8 rule? Once again, 8 rule like the same like 4 rule.
Ma'am, all numbers are divided by 8.
Last 3 digits should be 0 or it should be divisible by 8. Let me check the 8 table will go or not. 8 ones are 8, 1 is remainder. 9, 8 twos are 16. It's a 30, 30 won't come in divisible. So this is not true. 8 table, it is not divisible. What about other divisibility rules like 9 and 10? What is 9 rule, children? Rule 9. Like 3 rule. What is 3 rule? What is 3 rule, Adrit? This is a question for you only.
Sum of digits.
Sum of digits 9 plus 9 plus 0, how much?
Ma'am, 18.
18. 18 will go in 9 table or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so rule 8 is true. Very good. What about rule 10? Rule 10 means you should check units place.
Ma'am, the units place should be 0.
Very good. Units place should be 0. Only 0. Only 0. Then rule 11. What is rule 11 is I did not help you. Rule 11. Rule 7 you doesn't have, I think, children. Rule 11 is alternative digits. Alternative digits means one leave one, start from here. These are alternative digits. Sum of alternative digits. Sum of alternative digits is difference. Sum we calculate. Difference of this sum should be either 0 or multiples of 11. Multiples of 11. Now you check. This is 0. In this case, 0. Suppose if you say 819. No, 77. 814. Is it divisible by 11 table or not?
No, ma'am.
So how we have to check alternative digits? We should check. 8 plus 4, how much? 12. 12 minus 1 is 11. 11 divisible by 11 table. So it is true. Suppose 121 you take. What are alternate digits? You can take alternate. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. So alternative disease sum should be 0, either the multiples of 2 means we can divisible by. Children, I won't go much about it. We have to play some quiz on these divisibility rules, okay? And next question to the student Sritej. Sritej,
Yes, ma'am.
1586. You see better, 1586. Check the divisibility rules of different.
Ma'am, it is divisible by 2 because the units place is even number.
Excellent. First point was done. Good. Absolutely good.
And the divisibility rule of 3 is sum of all digits. So 1 plus 5, which is 6.
Go with the same rule 3. Complete number you should tell. Rule 3. Sritej,
Yes,
rule 3.
Yes, ma'am. Rule 3 means the sum of all the digits. It means
What is sum of all 1 plus 5 plus 8 plus 6?
20. Ma'am, it's 20.
Is it divisible by 3?
No, ma'am. It is not a No, ma'am, it's not divisible by 3.
Very good, very good, very good. Next 4 rule, please go to the 4 rule. First tell the rule better. First tell the rule.
The divisibility rule for 4 is the last 2 digits should be 0, and or if they are not 0, we have to check. We have to check if they're divisible by 4.
They should come in the 4 table. Or else if you divide that last 2 digit, it should be exactly divisible by 4. Check 86 is divisible by 4 or not. I think no, you will get remainder, right? Check it quickly.
Now we get 2 as remainder.
So is it divisible by 4? Yes or no?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No. Then 5 rule.
Rule means the units place should be 0 or 5. Here the units place is 6, so it's not divisible by 5.
Very good, very good. Then 6 rule better. Listen everyone, how Sritej is given the explanation. You should be ready with the next number, Ashwath.
Divisibility rule of 6 means like they should be divisible by 2 and 3. And it is not divisible by 3, so
it is also fails. So 6 rule no. Very good. Rule 6 no for the number 1586. What about 8 rule beta?
8 rule means the last 3 digits should be 0 or they should be divisible by 8.
Check it 586 is going in 8 table or not. Check, do division and check it.
No, ma'am, it's not divisible. There's a remainder.
Okay, then go with 9. 9 is same as?
9 is same as 3. You have to do the sum of the digits.
Sum is 20. Already you said sum of digits is 20. So 20 will come in 9 table?
No, ma'am. It won't come. Ma'am, it won't come in 9 table.
9 table, no. That's you said already it's no. Then what about 10?
Ma'am, 10, the rule is that the unit place should be 0.
Is not. So here it is 6. So it is not, right?
And then 11, we have to add alternate numbers. So
1 plus 8 is 9. 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 minus 9 is 11 minus 9 is 2, which is not 0 either divisible by 11. So it is absolutely not divisible by 11 also. 11 rule I will help you once again. See, for this number also I will help you children because you are new to the But if orally, if I'm saying you cannot follow, I'll go with through the once again 1586. 1586. You check better. 1586. So what are alternate digit? Alternate means one leave and one take better. So this is the alternate digits. Yes or no? You have to sum up alternate digits. 1 plus 8 is 9. 5 plus 6 is 11. Difference of these two. Difference of 11 and 9. 2. 2 will come in 11 table. No. So rule 11 is not true. Now who is next? Who will give next explanation for the number?
Ma'am, you told me Ashwath.
Ashwath, is it Ashwath or Deepika?
Ma'am, Ashwath.
Ashwath, come on. Come on, come on, come on.
Two divisibility rule is that the last digit should be divided by it should be divisible by 2.
Or else even number. It should be even. What is the last number in your number?
5.
5 is even number or odd number?
Odd.
So D rule is true for D rule 2. Rule 2 is true or false?
False.
Okay, come on, go with the 3.
Ma'am, the divisibility rule is that the digits should be divisible by 3.
What are sum of digits in the number?
275.
So sum of all, what is the sum of all the digits? 2 plus 7 plus 5.
Ma'am, you should subtract. Ma'am.
I'm here, please let me know first.
No, ma'am.
Which rule you are telling?
3.
3, 3, what is the rule? 3, 2 plus 7 plus 5. What is 2 plus 7 plus 5?
Ma'am, 7 plus 2, 9, 14.
14 will come in 3 table.
No, ma'am.
So no 2 rule, no 3 rule. If no 2, no 3 means obviously 6 also fails. Go with 4.
Ma'am, the rule of 4 is the last 2 digits should be divisible by 4.
Last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. Very good. So here what are the numbers? 75. 75 is divisible in 4 table or else remainder you will get, please check it.
Ma'am, we will get reminder.
So it is no. Then go with 5 rule.
Ma'am, the divisibility rule of 5 is the number should be divisible by 5.
Yeah, it should be divisible by 5. No, units place should be either 0 or 5 beta.
0. Yes, ma'am.
It's not divisible by 5. It's 0 or 5. So what is the number in your given number?
5 is there, ma'am. Last. True.
That's all. What about rule 6?
Ma'am, the number 2 and 3 are not there. No, ma'am. That's why the 6 will also be false.
Okay, then what about 8 and 9 and 10?
Ma'am, 8. Ma'am, 8 also no.
8 also no. Then 9. Sum
No.
of digits 9 plus 14. 14 will not come in 9 table, right? 10
Yes, ma'am.
table. 10 table. 10 rule.
No, ma'am.
No. What is 10 rule actually?
Ma'am, the last digit should be 0.
Very good. What about 11th rule?
Ma'am, false, ma'am. No.
So 10 rule, no. Why? Because units place is 5. So 11 rule, alternative digits. Hey, what about 11 rule?
Ma'am, we should
Sum of alternate digit. 2 plus 5, how much?
7.
7 minus 7?
0.
So it is divisible. 0 or 11 multiples. Okay. Now go with Deepika. Deepika,
Yes, ma'am.
which number you want to take from among these? Please choose your number and tell the divisibility rules for all. Till here
Ma'am.
already completed 275. You have to choose from this.
Ma'am, 6,686.
Okay, 639210. Okay, come on.
The first is 2. 2's divisibility rule is the units place must be even number.
Very good. Is it there even? What is the last
Yes,
digit
ma'am.
in your give? Very good. Then
Ma'am, then is 3. Divisibility rule of 3 is the sum of the digits must be divisible by the number 3. So, 1 second, ma'am. I'll add. Ma'am, 26.
26 is divisible by 3?
No, ma'am.
No. Then go with 4.
4 divisibility rule is
By looking only you can say beta. By looking only last digits 10, ma'am. 10 won't come in 4 table. Like that you can go little speed also. Deepika, I know that you know the divisibility rules. Please.
okay, ma'am.
Little speed.
4 is 86.
Divisibility rule 4 is no. What about divisibility rule 5?
No, ma'am.
5 rule. What is 5 rule?
Ma'am, 5 is no, ma'am.
Which number you are taking?
Ma'am, 6,686.
Oh, okay, okay. Then it is no. Okay. Okay, then
Then 6.
is it true and 2 rule and 3 rule are true for that?
3 it was no. Ma'am, 6 it's no, ma'am. Then is 8. Uh, 1 second, ma'am.
Where you are stuck, please let me know so that I can help you.
Ma'am, 8 it is no, ma'am.
Very good. Then what about 9?
9. No, ma'am.
Yes, 10 rule.
No, ma'am.
11.
1 second, ma'am.
What are alternate digits here? 6 plus 8 and 6 plus 6.
6 plus 6 is 12.
6 plus 8 is 14. 14
Yes,
minus 12 is 2. So it is not divisible. Very good. Yeah, Soumya, are you ready, ma? Soumya is only the girl is left in the class.
Ma'am?
Soumya, which number you want to take among these? Till here already students. Yeah, Soumya.
Ma'am, 2,886.
63, about 6,39,210 you are taking.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, 2 rule true. You please tell yes or no. 2 rule true. By looking the last digit, whether it is even or odd.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it is true. What about 3 rule? Sum up all the digits. 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 9, 18, 20, 21. 21 go in 3 table? Yes.
Yes.
3 rule, yes. So what about 4 rule?
Ma'am, 4. Wait, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Very good, it's no. Then what about 5 rule?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, why? Because unit place is 0, good. What about 6 rule?
Ma'am, 6.
2, is it 2 and 3 are true means we can, yes, it is 6 rule is also true. What about 8? 8 means last 3 digits, like 210 is going in 3 table or not? No, I think. So
No,
9,
ma'am.
sum of the digits.
9.
Sum of the digits.
Wait, ma'am.
What is the sum of 9 plus 9, 18, 20,
No, ma'am.
21?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. 9. No.
21 will go in 9 table? No.
No.
10 table?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. 11 rule, alternative digits. 6 plus 9 plus 1. 16. 3 plus 2 plus 0.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No. Okay. That's about the rules, children. Next class, you please go through the homework part. That's a lot of this is a very vast, but it is a very important too. We will discuss it next class, the other part, because the divisibility rules are very high. If you know, it's a lot of application with the divisibility rules, children. I will help you where we are using these all. We will see in next class. Okay. Today you can try in home the rest of the numbers like 42971428563060406839. These 4 numbers do as a homework. Okay.
Okay.
That's all. That's all, children. Can
Can
you?
we do a quiz?
Yes,
Ma'am,
yes,
you
I should give. Yeah, only divisibility rules we will go. Because you are listening continuously, you will. Okay, 10 questions I will give. I have not to give much of the questions too. Because you are very young kids. Instead of writing rules, so you have to go with examples, children. You can understood more better. Okay.
Ma'am, I have a doubt. Ma'am, are you creating the quiz?
Yes, yes, Sri. Sri, what is the doubt?
Ma'am, are you creating the quiz?
Yes, we have. We have many quizzes too. But online quizzes also sometimes I'm taking, children, because the questions are very related, means we can take that, or else we can add up our own questions too. In quizzes, basic questions only we have available. If you want to create a such, we can take extra part also. We can. There are more than 1,500 quizzes, children. Only 6 months that part is saving, and ultimately it is erasing. So last year, for each and every class, more than 1,000 we created. So chart box, where is chart box? Yeah. Yes, please join quickly, children. Only 10 questions. You can complete and leave, children. I think Sritej, Deepika, Adrit, Ashwath, who else is Soumya? Right. All the best, all of you children. You can start and complete the game and leave. Absolutely good work by Sritej. Very good work, Sritej.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm done.
Very good. You can leave better. You can leave. Very good, Nana. Very good. Extremely good speed you are doing.
Ma'am, can
But
I wait
tomorrow
until
we have to go with all the rules, 11 rule, 7 rule, every rule, because today I won't give much stress on you. Next class we will go with all. Okay. Bye, children. Have a nice day. Good. Let me check. The other students what they are doing.